Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore card spend insights using NerdWallet budgeting tools. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore card spend insights using NerdWallet budgeting tools, begin by opening the NerdWallet app or website. Log into your account with your credentials. Navigate to the budgeting section of the app or website. Locate the option for Connect Accounts or Banking. Select this option to link your credit or debit card. Follow the prompts to securely enter your bank login information. Once your accounts are linked, go back to the budgeting section. Click on Transactions to view your spending history. Look for the feature that allows you to categorize your transactions. Assign each transaction to appropriate spending categories. Review your categorized transactions to ensure accuracy. If needed, adjust categories for any misclassified transactions. Once all transactions are categorized, navigate. Here, you'll find visual representations of your spending patterns. Take note of your spending trends over time. Utilize this information to adjust your budget as necessary. If you want to set spending limits, head to the Budget section. Enter your desired limits for each spending category. Save your changes to ensure your budget is updated. Regularly check back to monitor your progress and adjust as needed. These steps will help you effectively restore and utilize your card spend insights with NerdWallet's budgeting tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.